The category from the Home Office in Sioux City, Iowa. Top 10 ways now to annoy an IRS agent. We're just days away from the income tax deadline.
Yes, we are.
And you don't pay any kind of taxes because you're Canadian.
No,
isn't
that's
that right,
not
Paul?
true. I can pay all the taxes I want right here.
You make all the money you want and you don't pay taxes.
That's not true.
You have it in some kind of secret bank account
I pay
in Montreal.
in Switzerland. No, I pay all my taxes here.
Now, do you have to pay Canadian
No,
tax?
I don't have to because I'm a resident here and not there.
Are you sure?
No.
I got to place a call to Ottawa later to confirm this. Anyway, now, top 10 ways to annoy an IRS agent. Here we go, number 10. Instead of IRS, pronounce it ERS. Number 9, whenever he starts using his calculator, start yelling out a bunch of numbers. Number 8, tape all your receipts up into a giant ball and then whip it at his head. You know, they just hate that. Number 7, pour a jar of honey on your W-2, let a bear loose in his office. Number 6, be Leona Helmsley. Be all that you can be. Number 5, tell him you know who makes a lot of money? That Oprah. And number 4, keep saying 1040, good buddy. Number 3, whenever he disallows a deduction, say, oh, Mr. Gotti isn't going to like that. Number 2, list his wife under entertainment expenses. And the number one way to annoy an IRS agent, keep yelling, hey, audit this. Today is it. Today is the deadline. Is today the day?
I think it is.
The 17th, you have to have filed by midnight. If you haven't filed by midnight, I hate to be the one to bring you the bad news. If you have not filed by midnight tonight, you're going to prison. We're not talking about county jail. We're not talking about the city lockup. We're talking about a federal penitentiary.
God.
If you have not filed your income tax in, it looks to me like 22 minutes, adios, Buster. You're on your way to Leavenworth. Hal, do me a favor, turn on the external camera. All right, we're on 8th Avenue, just outside the H&R Block office. And let's go inside and talk to people about filing their income taxes. You can trust H&R Block, it says right there. How do you do, sir? How do you do, sir? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me, sir? Do you see a television camera in front of you?
Yes, we see.
Oh, how do you do? My name is Dave Letterman. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, very well.
Do you work for H&R Block?
Yes, I do.
Are you a tax preparer?
Yes, I am.
Are you? Looks like someone's hiding some files right there. Like someone is trying to hide something, covering up some income. I don't know what's up, but you, ma'am, are going to a federal penitentiary. Hiding money from the government. Valuable tax documents being hidden right before our eyes. What is your name, sir?
My name is Ram Pathak.
Ray? You're saying Ray?
No, Ram.
Ram, spell that for me.
R-A-M.
Your first name is Ram?
Right. Last name is Pathak. P as in Peter, A-T-H-A-K.
All right, Ram, good enough.
Thank you.
Ram, are you preparing taxes right this very minute?
Yes, right now.
Now,
Yes, I'm
is
doing.
this woman a little disturbed that we're interrupting? Is she bothered by this?
No, she's not that much.
I'm no expert when it comes to body language.
Well, she's paying a lot of taxes. Uncle Sam should be glad that people like her dare to pay so much taxes.
I just don't believe that she's thrilled beyond delight.
Well, she has
Ram, tell us, how has the season been? Has it been crazy?
Sometimes it has been crazy. Most of the time, I have been able to take care of my clients.
Patience. Patience. Wait a minute. What the hell is going on there, Ram? Ma'am, are you there for a checkup or for some kind of tax preparation?
Well, after I finish the work, I have to see a doctor, yes.
Yeah, I know. Now listen, Ram, when you're finished, don't you go down, you take a trip, don't you go to some lovely island and get away from things for a while?
Most likely, yes.
Where are
I
you
will
going
do.
on the vacation?
I will.
Iowa.
No, I will go on a vacation.
Oh, you will go on a vacation.
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to Iowa.
It's nice there.
Get away from it all. Ram will be out there knee-high in corn.
So
all right,
when
now,
I'm going to do your taxes, when...
have you filed your taxes, Ram?
No, I did, but when I'm working with you,
I'm sorry?
when I'm going to work with your taxes.
No, you're not.
Oh, okay.
No, you're not. Don't come near my taxes. Do you hear me?
Okay.
For the love of God, stay away from my financial... all right, now, Ram, if you don't mind, because, and I hate to interrupt here, because you're open to what, 9 o'clock tonight?
Yes,
We're going right down to the bottom of the ninth, aren't we? This is it. We're right there. We're looking at the end of this thing. If you don't have them prepared and filed, bango, you go to a federal penitentiary, don't you?
Yes.
Absolutely. If you don't file tonight, you're going away for a long, long time. Am I right, Ram?
You are absolutely right.
Yeah, that's right.
You are right, sir.
Ask Leona Helmsley. Am I lying? Ask Leona Helmsley. She went away for 46 yeyears, didn't she?
She did, of
And it was
course.
no country club golf in the afternoon kind of prison. No, sir. It was busting up rocks kind of hard labeled
exactly
prison.
right.
46 years because she didn't file, ladies and gentlemen.
That's true.
All right, Ram. By the way, how is your customer? Is she doing all right?
Oh, she's fine.
The woman has not moved. Ram, you should take her pulse to find out if she's... all right, Ram, because you are an accountant, are you a CPA?
No, I'm not.
Would you like to be a CPA?
Not really.
What does that mean?
Well, wouldn't you do a little more business if you were a CPA? Wouldn't that be nice to have?
Well, I'm very happy, very busy here, making a lot of money for the company, for myself.
Yeah, but not too busy to talk to us, I notice.
Not at all. Who knows,
Ram.
you might be customer in the future.
Yeah, guess again. Now, Ram, because it is the last day, we have some questions we'd like to give you. Do you mind answering some questions about taxes?
No, not at all.
Okay, Hal, do me a favor. Put up the timer. We're going to time you here, Ram, okay? You have 45 seconds. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. When are tax returns due this year?
By midnight today.
That's right. What is 5 plus 4?
54.
Stop the clock. Stop the clock. Stop the clock.
Stop the clock.
Stop the clock. Is there any way to stop the clock? All right, then can they reset it? Go back to 40 seconds there, right? Because, all right, Ram, 5 plus 4 is actually 9.
Right.
The answer ma'am, don't be alarmed by that. Everything's just fine.
Dave.
All right, did we get the clock reset? I want to give this guy every possible advantage. They can't reset the clock? Can't reset the clock. Where's the clock now? You can't reset it? Where is it now? Just show. Okay. I don't know. I thought maybe we could stop the clock. I was wrong. Okay, well then let's just continue asking Ram the questions. Here we go. Is it true H&R Block fans are called blockheads?
There you go.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay. During an audit, can an IRS agent slap you?
No, not at all.
No, he can't slap you. He can shake you by the lapels, however. True or false, one of the duties of the IRS is to round up dates for Bill Clinton. No, that's not true. Other than taxes, what's the only sure thing?
Death.
Yeah, that's right. We would also have accepted another Larry King marriage. And finally, can the average American claim Cato Kalin as a dependent?
No, they're not.
No, of course he can. All right, Ram, congratulations. Nice job, buddy.
Thank you.
I think we have something for Ram. You've been very generous with your time. We have a little something for you. I think we have I think it's a steak dinner. Could we bring in the steak dinner? There it is. There you go. There you go. Wow. So enjoy that, Ram.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
I deserve it.
Enjoy the off season. And ma'am, it was nice talking with you as well. All right, there we go. Ram and his friend there at H&R Block. Anyway, Tuesday was the tax filing deadline, which prompted this interesting announcement from the IRS. Take a look at this fascinating announcement.
The IRS would like to thank all Americans who filed their taxes on time. And since by now the majority of your tax filing questions have been answered, for just $2.99 a minute, our operators are standing by to provide you with hot, steamy, erotic chat. The IRS, it's on, baby.
What? It's on, baby? Top 10 ways the IRS can improve its image. Number 10, change name from IRS to FUN.
Yes.
Number 9, tell done guys that IRS stands for International House of Pancakes. Number 8, if your auditor doesn't have minty fresh breath, you don't pay a dime. Number 7, new ad campaign, 3 lovable frogs that say IRS.
Hey.
Number 6, in addition to the short form and the long form, introduce an extra long form called the Magnum. Number 5, 2 words, deductible fudge. Number 4, publish pamphlet, 101 ways to cheat on your taxes and not get caught. Number 3, from now on, if you're short on cash, you can pay in good vibes. Oh. Number 2, throw Leona Helmsley in jail again. Number 1, stop. Number one, stop hassling folks, dude. And if you're just joining us, you know, it occurs to me why that guy at H&R Block could take so much time and talk with us. You know, the guy's name is Ram. I'll bet that's R. I'll bet that's H, and I bet that's R
of
Block.
H&R.
Ram.
Ram, of course.
Sure. It had to be.
Yeah, there he is.
Ram, how's the steak, buddy?
Enjoying it.
I say, Ram, how's the steak?
It's good.
It's good. That's good.
But
Is your
I like
customer
salad the most.
Is your customer still there?
Yeah, they are here.
It's not. It doesn't bother her that you've interrupted the preparation of her taxes to have a steak dinner. That's not a problem, apparently.
Probably it does, but she's so nice, she's not saying anything.
You're both going to federal prison. All right, Ram, nice to chat with you. You know, that's an interesting thing if we have young comedy writers or young comedians watching around the country. If you have a little piece of comedy and you don't have an ending, just send somebody a steak dinner.
There you
Boom.
go.
It looks like the ending.
Right.
Well, here's the steak dinner. The piece must be over.
Right, it works.
It works every stinking time. Hey, don't kid yourselves. We're all pretending to have a lot of fun here tonight. But listen, right around the corner is tax time.
Yes.
And take it from me, if you don't file your income tax returns, if you don't pay your income tax, you're going to do hard time in a federal penitentiary. Don't get cute with them. Don't think you can run a little screwball by them, because they'll get you, and they'll get you, and they'll get you. But they're trying to be friendly about it. That's what I love about the IRS. They're always trying to prevent a very, very kind of cordial image of themselves, but they will get you. And you'll rot in hell.
Yeah.
But they're running this new commercial because it is tax season. Have you seen it?
No.
It's a new friendlier IRS. Watch this.
Attention taxpayers. The IRS encourages you to file your taxes via the internet with e-file. E-file automatically scans your returns for errors, plus you get your refund faster. Act now, and you can also download hot photos of IRS agents. E-file. One more way the IRS is working for you.
Ooh. Well, let's see. We got scandals going on, and the IRS now. The IRS, they apparently spent. The IRS spent a lot of our tax dollars on lavish vacations and parties. Lavish, crazy. There they are, right there.
This is really
To the left.
crazy.
4. To the left. I need a
Crazy
straight
party.
Look
line.
at that. There's
We're trying to get ready
Craziest
for
party
bunch of accountants going crazy.
I ever saw.
I don't have a problem with that. Let's see that again. That's fine with me.
Oh, this is nuts. Totally over the
It's
top.
okay with
This
me.
is over the top.
3, 4. To the left. I need a straight line. We're trying to get ready for Anaheim.
There's a little box on your return there. You check the box if you want to spend $1 so idiots can go dancing.
Can have a
Let's
party.
see it again. There they are.
To the left. 3, 4. To the left. I need a straight line.
Okay, that's
We're trying to
fine.
get ready
Now,
for
all
Anaheim.
right, that's
Stay
plenty.
line.
The category tonight from the home office in Sioux City, Iowa, just exactly what we've been talking about. Top 10 Internal Revenue Internal Revenue Service agent pet peeves. IRS agent pet peeves. Here we go. Number 10. People that claim charitable donation for watching CBS primetime. Number 9. Everybody thinks rock stars get all the chicks, but the truth is chicks dig IRS agents. Number 8. People who fill out their tax forms with mustard. Just exactly what we were talking about. Number 7. H. Block always showing up at audits claiming he forgot his pants. Number 6. When Janet Reno offers to settle up with sexual favors. Number 5. Guys who keep saying, yeah, I got your long form right here. Number 4. Sort of unpleasant, isn't it? Number 4, people who pronounce IRS ers. Number 3, H&R Block accountants who are too busy eating steak to file on time. he just don't care.
Still at it.
You're looking at 20 years in the Slammer, the old Gray Bar Hotel. He'll be eating steak. Number 2, Letterman reporting his total year's income as $15,000. And the number 1 IRS agent pet peeves, 3 syllables, Leona. There you go. A woman goes in. Today is the day you got to file your taxes. A woman goes in with all her paperwork. She hands it to Ram. Yeah. He talks to me for 20 minutes and then has dinner. Yeah. And she continues to do this. Oh, there she is. Oh. Hey, it looks like a job for Chuck Woolery. I think maybe we may have made a love connection. Look at that guy. Whatever you do, don't get meat grease on my return.